Meaning of double stopping.
Double stopping.
Double stopping.
Double stopping.
Double stopping. Double stopping is a technique used in string playing where two notes are played simultaneously on different strings. This is achieved by pressing down two strings with the fingers of the left hand, while bowing with the right hand. The result is a rich and powerful sound that can be used to create harmonies, counterpoint, and drones. Double stopping is commonly used in classical music for solo violin and in traditional fiddle music. It requires a high level of skill and coordination from the musician to execute effectively.